Welcome back to another Dollar Tree review. Today we're going to be reviewing the LaColors Brow Cream Gel, which is a brow pomade, and their brow brush, which is an angled brush slash spoolie, so a dual-ended brush. I did get these products at the Dollar Tree, $1 each. Now the claims on the brush say that this angled tip is ideal to define and line brows while spoolie gently brushes and blends. Let's focus solely on the brush now. Obviously this was $1, I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of cheap. First off, I don't think this is ideal for doing your brows unless you have very thick, big brows. Okay, if you have thinner brows or a smaller thin tail like myself, this is too big of a brush. The bristles are hard and it's kind of flimsy, to be honest. Like, I just did not like this for the brows. For me, this was a absolute no-go. I don't know, I tried it out and I just know the type of brush that I like, and it's not, if this brush was a little bit stiffer, like this one I own because it's a thicker angle brush, a little bit less dense and more firm bristles, I could see doing my brows with that. This, no, it's just not good, in my opinion. Some of you might love this, but my experience, I hated this. The spoolie end, I love it. It's a small spoolie, as you can tell compared to my nail. I have very small nail beds, so you can tell it's very small and petite. Help blend the pomade through your brow. It helps lighten and pick up some of that extra product in your brow, bring that out, and it is gentle. It's very soft, so I will give it that. I love the spoolie end of it and I will continue to use that end. I just really hated the angled end. Okay, up next we have the brow pomade here. Now I did get this in the shade soft brown because I am of darker hair color, so for blonder or lighter hair tones, you're supposed to go 2 shades darker, and for darker hair tones, you're supposed to go 2 shades lighter. Now, sometimes I don't follow that, but I do try to get a product that matches my brows pretty well. I think that this is actually a pretty good product for me personally. So, soft brown. The claims on this are glides on smooth to shape and fill brows with ease, stays put formula for a long-lasting wear. Absolutely true. This stuff, once it gets in your brows and sets down, it lasts all day long. I even have a picture of 7-hour brows, which I'll insert now. The brow is still filled in. It is still intact. There's no issues there. Like, the product does last once it sets down. How I like to use this product is I line my brows, then I kind of just fill them in completely with the product because that's how I personally like to do it. And you can also use this pomade cream gel brow product to just fake hairs in your brows. That's perfectly up to you. Quick tip, I like to get some on my brush, put it in the lid, and kind of knock some of the product off into the lid so I don't picking up too much, because it's a very creamy product. And then I apply it and then I pick some back up out of the lid, and that's how I've been using it. Now I dipped solely in the middle so you could see that when the product is open from the first get-go, it looks like it's a very warm brow product, which I'm not a fan of. I like cool toned. Now it looks like that, but once you can see you dip into the product, it's actually a cool toned brow product, and I am absolutely loving this product. If you find this in your store and they have the right shade for you, definitely pick it up. Just for the staying power alone, very creamy product. It's not drying in your brows. It blends out easy and nicely. For $1, this is an amazing product, you guys. The lasting power, the pigmentation, the creaminess, the blendability, all of those rolled into one great brow product. Also, I find that after it sets, it does kind of keep my brows in place, so that's something else to note about this product, because this is a really great product to try out for $1, and who doesn't love beauty on a budget and dollar products that actually work? Well, I thank you guys so very much for watching. I hope you found the review helpful. If you have any other comments, questions, or concerns regarding this product, let me know in the comment section below and I will be happy to answer any questions you may have additionally about this product. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree reviews. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional Dollar Tree links and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.